All right, guys, welcome back to Alaska. It's snowing. Are you shocked?
Yes, actually.
You are?
Yes, I watched the weather like a hawk.
I've heard this before. I've heard this like 4 times, so now you guys get to hear it.
Y'all, I'm so far behind that I have stuff everywhere. Everywhere.
All the places.
So because of that, I'm like checking the weather every day just to see, okay, how much time do I have before the snow comes, buries everything, wrecks my life, sad, lots of crying, it's bad. It's like beautiful.
Here it comes.
It's like beautiful. We got snow so late. Usually we get snow quite a bit earlier than this, y'all. But my weather app is all like, oh, it's awesome. We're not going to get snow for 2 weeks. We're not going to get snow for a week and a half. Tomorrow you're getting a foot.
Die!
So.
Yeah. So he's been less than thrilled about that?
Stupid.
You guys got the G-rated version. I got the less than G-rated version like 4 times.
I'm in suspense. I don't know what you're going to ask me.
So all that yada yada, it's gonna snow in Alaska, I'm shocked.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm.
Let me ask you, honey, what did you do yesterday?
I moved snow.
What'd you do the day before? Surely something different.
I moved snow.
Here's the zinger, guys. You're gonna be shocked, twist at the end. What are we gonna do today, honey? Guess, guys. You got it. Move snow.
Move to Hawaii.
It's expensive enough here, honey. I ain't moving to Hawaii.
No.
It gets above 75 degrees in Hawaii. I'm out.
I can't take my goats with me.
All right, you guys, come on. We'll do what we always do, and you come with us.
Snow.
Move snow. Welcome to Alaska. One of the things that we did not get to before it snowed was our rain catchment, which is these 255-gallon Rubbermaid bins that collect water from our metal roof up there. So we got to get them cleaned off and then figure out where we're putting 2 giant blocks of ice.
Yeah.
The evil laugh was necessary, was it?
Yeah. It's Halloween. Yeah. Puppers are dressed up like polar bears.
Yeah.
We saw an eagle dressed up like Darth Vader.
Fair enough.
Yeah, and a raven dressed up like a penguin.
I don't really think that one counts. What do you guys think? I think it counts. The eagle dressed up like Darth Vader. I think that counts.
I think we need to let everybody know who came up with all these.
Oh, definitely him. I am not afraid to let everybody know. Please, everybody know he's the one that came up with that.
The dad jokes are strong with this
Dad jokes and right here. All right, let's get to work.
Work?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Me neither. Let's take a nap.
Deal.
Deal.
Bye. Here, hold that.
Uh-huh. Nice try.
You gotta make sure it's clear. It's all packed down from the roof. Okay, so we waited too long for that. The roof shed all over and packed everything down, and they're frozen to the ground.
So now what?
Now
Now we have permanent ice fixtures?
I'll probably have to tractor them.
Right where we need to, snow blow
Yeah.
all the snow away from
Figure
the
it
roof
out.
shed. Welcome to our life.
7 more months, y'all. 7 more months.
7 more months, they'll come right on out of there. We want to do no work. It'll be
That's
easy
right.
as pie.
It won't snow before then.
Oh, Lord. What? Man down, boys. Man down.
Okay, time to plow the driveway.
Tell him, honey, why we're using the tiny plow for the side-by-side instead of the giant 8-foot truck plow.
Because the giant 8-foot truck plow is broken and needs to be welded.
We broke the frame on that bad boy.
Wah, wah.
Welcome to
Just
Alaska
the frame for
snow.
the lights. Just the frame for the
Oh,
lights.
the frame for the lights? We don't need no lights.
Yeah, we need lights.
Apparently
It's
we need
big.
lights.
It covers all the lights up on the truck. I'm like driving around.
Oh,
Can't see.
in the dark.
In the dark.
Plowing blind.
Dogs and cats living together.
Dogs and cats living together. All right, down the driveway. Let's go.
There we go. See how many rocks we can hit. No way.
Go through a lot of gloves and a lot of clothes when it's above about 20 degrees because your body heat will melt the snow that's on your clothes. So, anyways, more things you probably didn't want to know.
Somebody followed us who's not supposed to follow us.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, which means her GPS collar's dead.
GPS.
Right,
Come on, buddy. Yeah. There you are. Are you gonna ride? Are you gonna ride?
Sit on the gas pedal. Can I have the pedals back?
How's that working out for you?
I have to hold her butt off the accelerator with my foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The neighbors don't like it when we put our driveway snow in the road?
No, it's not their favorite.
No. I just fell in the ditch. There's like a foot and a half of snow. Yeah.
Now some of y'all might wonder why we didn't use the big old snowblower that we got sitting on the back of the tractor, and this is why. Early in the season, there's all these rocks and gravel and stuff that'll get sucked right up into the snowblower, so we can't use it until we have a base of snow laid down to protect the snowblower from all these rocks. Now it usually takes about 2 or 3 good snows to get a nice hard pack of snow on top of the gravel, and then it's snowblower time. Now, back the other way. Hear all those rocks?
Ay, ay, ay.
That's why we don't use a snowblower right now.
What's wrong, girl? We're home. We're home. Okay. Go, buddy, go.
All right, y'all, since we are soaked onto our skivvies, we went ahead and went inside and got on some dry clothes, and now we're back outside and back at it.
So before we get to the next thing, we're going to do our shameless soap segue. This is 2 soaps that we have on the website for at the Christmas shop on the website. A little gingerbread house. Look, he's got cute little snow on top. It smells like gingerbread.
It smells like gingerbread. Yeah. I really want to
eat it. And then
this
is a little stocking stuffer. It's a tiny little igloo, and inside is a little polar bear. So you can go to theflattirefarm.com if you want to buy soap. Okay, on with the show.
So next thing on the list that we didn't get done before all this snow showed up is, it might be hard to tell underneath all the snow, but we have an entire trailer load that we got of free birch logs that were cut down to clear a property that somebody was building a house on over a year ago. So they're pretty dry, they'll be great for firewood, but my snow dump is behind me, so I need to get this giant trailer out of the way. But first, we gotta get these logs off.
Hi. This This is Mr. Reeve having a bad day.
No, this is Mr. Reeve having 3 bad days in a row.
He's real tired of moving snow, and if looks could kill him. Let me save y'all. Let me save y'all. There. Okay, holy buckets. I saved y'all's life, just so you know. So what's happening is, in order to get the logs off the trailer, we need to move the trailer forward so that we can get the logs off with the tractor, because there's not enough room over there. So Reeve has a 4-wheel drive truck that is not able to pull the trailer right now because it has a bajillion pounds of logs on it, and lots of snow is packed everywhere. So the plan is to use the tractor to, I don't know, give the truck a head start. Is that what we're doing?
Or take out my frustrations on my front end.
Or
whichever one works out.
Take out the frustrations on the front end of the truck, which then takes out the frustrations on me wallet. Just let's point that out. Okay, you're smiling?
Yeah, I'm thrilled, so happy.
He's thrilled, he says.
Better catch it while it's here.
You can smile for the camera. Good job.
Told you. Hawaii's looking pretty good right now, ain't it?
Yeah, somehow I got roped into this deal. Apparently I'm the tractor driver. Ready?
Okay, we're gonna do a trick.
Yeah.
Okay?
Trick or treat, it's Halloween.
Brother.
We're getting all the tricks
We're
and no
definitely
treats.
getting tricks, no treats.
Maybe I'll make cookies later.
I've heard that one before, y'all.
I'm trying to give you a false sense of hope.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we doing?
You're gonna stab the forks into the ground.
What?
Just bear with me.
And like, ugh.
You're gonna leave the forks in float. You know how to do that?
Yeah.
Where the lever
Just
clicks
popped
all
up.
the way up.
Yeah.
Right?
I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as you start rolling backwards,
Yeah.
you're gonna roll backwards with the transmission,
Yeah.
and you're gonna slowly pull the stick in like you're picking up on the forks,
Yeah. And it'll like,
and it will use the forks as traction, and it will pull the tractor and the truck that way. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
This is what I do when I get the tractor stuck in the
Okay.
ditch. You do either the
Don't
bucket
get
or
mad
the
if I
forks.
get it wrong. We'll just,
Don't break nothing.
no, I got lots of credit on breaking us out. All right, here
There
we
you
go.
go.
Okay, so on today, quite a
Stupid.
stupid, yeah, fitting trick or treat trick. So that was plan, what, 4 already? A, B, C, D. That was plan D, and nope. My tractor driving skills ain't cool enough to pull a truck and a trailer full of logs. So that was the easy way out. The difficult way out now is that Mr. Reeve will spend the rest of the evening
Scraping everything down.
clearing out all the snow from out underneath all the tires, all the driveway. And so, guess what? We will pick this up tomorrow. Yeah?
Yep.
See you in a bit.
Since Goonies and Alaskans never say die, we're gonna try one more thing before I commence to shoveling all night. I'm gonna move the truck and we'll see if I can't shoot the gap with the tractor and get the logs off right where it's at. I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna get out of here now that I've dug a couple holes here. Let's find out.
Oh, you're good. Whoop whoop.
do not believe they're 2 to 6 inches for today.
You
Pretty
think?
sure we're past 6 already. Plus the 9 from day before yesterday or whatever that is. The days are all like 612 hours long now. I mean, as long as I don't go sliding all around too bad, if I lift the logs up high enough, I think it'll be okay. I know it could be famous last words. Take that, Strap. Watch me, I'm gonna try something.
Oh boy.
So it probably looks like I got a whole ton of room back there, but what I'm concerned about is right where the back of the tractor is whenever I'm lifting the logs, there's a big old stump in there. And if I am up on that stump and I lift a log that's heavy, it could dump the whole tractor over. So that's yeah, let's not do that.
That's not a watch me, I'm gonna try something?
It would be a watch me, I'm gonna try something.
Yeah, watch me, I'm gonna try to go to the hospital.
Okay?
The whole trailer just lifted up. Oh my gosh.
Take that 2 before.
This is not OSHA approved, just in case you wondered. All right, while Mr. Reeve is out there trying to get the rest of the logs off the trailer, I'm gonna start us some soup. I have about 2 or 3 cups of frozen organic corn that we get in bulk from Azure Standard, and about 2 cups of our home canned beef broth. These are just some canned carrots that I drained because I don't like the juice. And then this is remember that skillet breakfast sausage in a jar I made? It has sausage, peppers, onions, and potatoes. Well, we're gonna turn it into Cajun soup today. Because I thought I had lots of cans of borscht down there, but I couldn't find one. So this is what we're doing. So we'll put all the good juices in there. There we go. I'll add, I don't know, a couple tablespoons of Cajun seasoning and let it sit here on the wood stove and cook while we are back outside trying to finish up our day. That should be delicious. All right, you want to give us the ketchup here?
Yeah, it's been interesting. So a bunch of these are just too big. I can't even lift with the tractor. I've turned my whole area back behind me to ice, so I can't really control anything that I'm doing anyway. So I thought maybe I'll scrape the front of this down, make one more shot at trying to pull the trailer out. All right, y'all, so we always save the sawdust from our sawmill, so we're gonna throw some of that down and see if that will help us get a little bit of traction on this awesomeness.
It'll either help or pack mud in the tread of your tires.
Right.
It'll be super sporty then.
That thing's frozen right there, I think. Yeah, that's handy. Yep, it's not going anywhere.
It's frozen.
Yeah.
Are you shocked?
Not really, not at this point. Say a prayer, cross your fingers, toes, hairs.
Cross all the things.
Cross all the things.
All right. Go, honey, go. Come on, tires. Come on, tires. Woohoo! Good girls. Did you hear me scream? Yeah, are you protecting me? I know, you're good girls.
The step that was supposed to be done by about noon is now done after dark, so that's fantastic. We just gotta cut these things up to a length that I can actually lift off of here, get them off here, clear the rest of that snow, and then I can move on to the 26 other steps I have to do.
You ready for dinner?
Very.
All right, you ready, Skitty? Thanks. So our
ma'am.
soup is done. Bye-bye. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
making a mess.
That guy.
Yeah, we got some leftover rice from last night's dinner. So that will buffer it up a little bit, huh?
Thank you, love.
As you can see, it's dark out. Have thoroughly beat the tar out of ourselves. Yeah?
Check.
We did our jobs today. And sometimes, well, especially lots of times in the winter, things take twice as long than you expect and sometimes longer than that. Especially,
Sometimes twice or 3 times as much patience is required.
we need to work on that part, I think. We need to work on the patience part.
Yeah, possibly.
But we don't give up. We just keep on trucking and we will live to video another day, huh? Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Look at this. Thank you, love.
Oh my goodness, it's good.
Oh my gosh, that's yummy.